Hi, today we will create a sales order and then customer is unhappy and want to return to us and we need to give the replacement as well. So the disposition code will be replace and credit. So let's create a sales order very quickly. I go to sales and marketing, all sales order, new, pick one customer, pick warehouse, okay. Item which we're selling is this one and the unit price is $1,000. So let's do the picking. I'm not going to the advanced warehouse. I'm not using the mobile app, so let's do it from here. Okay, we pick the item. If I go to the journal in the line quantity, you will see like it's being picked. One item. Let's post the packing step very quickly. Okay, yes. So there is some credit management. So next time I will disable this. So let's release it. Okay. Okay. So it's been done. So we have the packing slip which is posted. Let's do the invoice. Okay. Okay. So we're done. And the sales order number is 2119. Okay. So customer called the CSR and they want to return the item and we're going to put back that item in the on hand and provide the replacement. So go to sales and marketing. Sales return, all return order, new. So I'm assuming like I'm the CSR customer sales representative and customer is calling, I'm on call. So customer is telling the ID, customer ID. So I entered that. I asked from where the customer bought. So the customer is telling they received the item from warehouse 24 or some detail they provide from which I will be able to enter this 24. So give some return reason. Let's pick 21 defective. Okay, so I can enter the if the customer is giving me the item number and the detail, I can enter directly here. Or the other way is I can find the sales order against which we are entering the return. So you remember like 2119, that's the sales order. So there's one item the customer is returning. So select it and say okay. So here we see like it's minus 1000. And okay, so you can create a replacement order by clicking this button, or you can go to the return line and then let's save it. So let's enter the disposition code. So we're going to select this replace and credit. Okay. And when we're doing the update, so it means the customer returned the item and that's at our warehouse and I'm receiving it. So I'm doing the registration, I'm doing the confirmation. So I received that item. And you see like the replacement order is not available. So if I go to the return, so here I see the replacement item. So here the system is telling me that item is available and which sites, what's the on hand available. I can look into the alternate items. And if we want to replace that item with some other item, so it's showing me everything. Let's cancel it. And so here you see the replacement reference is we don't have the replacement reference. So the system is not creating the or not created the replacement order. So let's go here and then click this. I'm sending from this and the quantity, I'm sending the same quantity one, I'm saying apply. Okay, so we can send the acknowledgement to the customer that telling the RMA number and other details so they can send the item to us. And once we received it, we can click this return order as well. Okay, so if we refresh this, save this, so nothing is happening. The replacement order is not created. So let's post this packing slip. So I'm giving this number to packing slip. Okay. Okay. So on posting the packing slip, the replacement order is created. So what we see, like the original sales order was 19, the return order is 120, and the replacement order is this one. So we need to go to this sales order, and then we need to do the invoicing, and that invoice will give the credit to the customer. So let's see that. So if I go to all sales order, refresh it. So you see like we created this 19, the sales order, 20 is the return order, and 21 is the replacement order. The system automatically did everything. So this is the return order. So let's go to this return order first. We already like did the posting of the packing slip, so we don't need to do that again. So I just need to go to the invoice, click on the invoice. So invoice is Okay. If we go to the invoice, so we see the invoice amount is minus 1,000. So the customer got a credit. You can see in the voucher as well if you want to. So account receivable is credited with 1,000 and sales is debited. So it's being reversed. So we're done with this sales order 20. So we created 19, which was invoiced, and this sales order when we created the return order. So that's this one. We also did the invoice. So the first one created the AR, and this return order reverts that. Now we have this order. This is the normal sales order, you can say. But the thing is, like you can see the related orders as well. So this is no, this is not the related order. Let's go to the header and then there we will see. So here we can see the reference. Like this is the sales order and this one is the RMA. So if I click this, it's taking me back to the return order. So this is the placement, this is the return. So these are connected in this way. So the point is, so this is the replacement order. So we again do the like picking and then post the slip and then do the invoice. That's the normal process which I did at the beginning. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.